Assalamualaikum. How are you to all my dear students of class 1? Today is your Islamiyat class. This is your Islamiyat book. We are going to start our new unit, that is unit number 7. What is the name of unit number 7? That is Pillars of Islam. This unit number 7 is on page number 24 that I have mentioned on the board. Page number 24. This is the new unit, unit number 7. And what is the name of this unit? Pillars of Islam. First, you have to know what is the definition of Pillars of Islam. Pillars of Islam means the basis of Islamic faith. And what is the meaning of faith? Faith means complete trust or complete belief. As you know, we all are Muslims. We believe that there is only one Allah. There is no God except Allah. We all are Muslims. So we believe there is no God except Allah. So there are 5 pillars. How many pillars we have? In our Islam, as a Muslim, in our Islam, there are 5 pillars. First, you have to know the names of 5 pillars of Islam that we follow. Number 1 is Tawheed. What is the name of pillar number 1? That is Tawheed. Number 2, Salat or Namaz. This is Salat or Namaz. Number 3, Zakat. Number 4, Saum or Roza. What is on number 4? That is Saum or Roza. And the last one is Hajj. These all are the 5 pillars of Islam. As a Muslim, we have to follow these all pillars. On page number 24, look at this. This is page number 24. Look at this. Can you see this? These all are the 5 pillars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In today's class, we will just discuss about Tawheed and Salat. In today's class, we will just discuss about our 2 pillars, that is Tawheed and number 2, Salat or Namaz. First, you have to know what is Tawheed. This is the first pillar of Islam. As a Muslim, this is the first pillar of Islam. This is Tawheed. How many pillars of Islam? There are 5 pillars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I ask the question, which one is the first pillar of Islam? So you will give me the answer, Tawheed. What is the meaning of Tawheed? Tawheed means oneness of Allah. What is the meaning of Tawheed? Oneness of Allah. As you know, we believe that there is only one Allah. There is no God except Allah. Tawheed means that Muslim declares that we believe there is only one Allah, and as a Muslim, there is our faith. We believe that there is no God except Allah. So, now read with me. As you cleared it, what is the meaning of Tawheed? Tawheed means oneness of Allah. It means, what is the meaning of one? One. There is no God except Allah. There is only one Allah. So Tawheed means the oneness of Allah. Now read this paragraph. Look at this here. There are 5 pillars of Islam. How many pillars of Islam? There are 5 pillars of Islam. This is number 1, Tawheed. Now put your pencil in your hands, put your finger on Tawheed and read this paragraph with me. Tawheed, the oneness of Allah. Oneness means one. Muslims declare that there is only one Allah. As a Muslim, we believe that there is only one Allah by reciting the Kalma Shahadat. We recite Kalma Shahadat. This is our belief. There is only one Allah. There is only one Allah. There is no God except Allah. Can you recite Kalma Shahadat? You can see this is on page number 25. As a child, so I hope you have learned this Kalma Shahadat. Look at this. Recite Kalma Shahadat. Ashhadu an la ilaha. Now recite Kalma Shahadat with me. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I am reciting again. Read with me. I hope you have learned this. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. This is Kalma Shahadat. I hope you have cleared this. What is the meaning of Tawheed? Tawheed means oneness of Allah. That is our belief as a Muslim. There is only one Allah. So we recite Kalma Shahadat. This is the first pillar of Islam. Now come to second pillar. What is the second pillar? Second pillar is Salah or Namaz. In Arabic, in Quran Majid, the Namaz word is used as a Salah. In Quran Majid, you will see Salah word is used for Namaz. What is the meaning of Salah? Salah means Namaz. First read this, then I will clear about Salat or Namaz. 5 prayers a day. We perform 5 namazes in a day as a Muslim. There are 5 namaz. Number 1, Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. How many namazes we have? We have 5 namaz in a day. How many namaz we have in a day? As a Muslim, we believe that and we perform 5 namaz in a day. What is the name of 5 namaz? The first one is Fajr. The second one is Zohar. The third one is Asr. Number 4th one is Maghrib. And the last is number 5, and this is Isha. So we perform 5 times a day. We perform or we should perform namaz. First you should habitual to perform namaz, that is at the age of 7. As you know, you are now in 1 class. That is not compulsory on it. You are very small, but you have to make a habit to perform namaz. But you will reach back at the age of 10. It will be compulsory on it. You must perform the namaz. All 5 namaz you will perform. But as a child, you make a habit to perform namaz. This is the page number 24 that I have discussed. 2 pillars I have discussed. Now in the next class that we will discuss more 3 pillars, that is Zakat, Sawm or Roza, and the last one is Hajj. Now come to the bookwork that is on page number 26. Page number 26, fill in the blanks or complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. Number A, Muslims declare that there is only one Allah by reciting the Kalma Shahadat. As you know, we recite Kalma Shahadat. This is the first pillar of Islam, Tawheed, oneness of Allah. Number B, another name for namaz is Salat. Another name for namaz is Salat. Number C, paying dues to the poor is called zakat. Number D, Hajj is a pilgrimage to Makkah. And the last E, Som means rosa. This is a very simple word that is on page number 26. You will do in your book. I hope you have cleared these two pillars of Islam. These three pillars we will discuss more about in our next class. So take care of